viewers, welcome to PariKitchen. Today's recipe is a custard pudding. It is very yummy and very juicy. This pudding is very delicious in looking. See how juicy the custard pudding is. If you are first time visiting to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon for more notifications. So let's check out the process. I have taken one pan. To this I am adding half cup of icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, you can add sugar also in the place of icing sugar. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and mix. We have to form strings type sugar syrup. To form string type sugar syrup, it will take 2 to 3 minutes. Mix like this and has to form a caramel color. You have to mix continuously until it gets caramel color and string type structure. This is the perfect color we have to make. Now turn off the flame. Now I am adding this texture to one bowl. I have taken one pan. To this I am adding 500 ml of milk. You have to boil this for one boil. After one boil of milk, I am adding half cup of sugar. As per the taste, you can adjust the sugar quantity. With this tablespoon, I am taken somolia or soji. 2 tablespoons I am adding. Mix thoroughly, otherwise it will stick on bottom of the pan. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame only. We have to mix occasionally. Meanwhile, I have taken some quantity of milk, that is 2 tablespoons. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix this mixture without forming any lumps. Now pour this custard mixture into the milk. Now stir continuously for 2 minutes. This is the perfect consistency to mix on the caramel sugar syrup. Now add this mixture to the caramel sugar syrup. Now turn this bowl like this. For steam cooking, I have added that much of water and place a stand like this, and also place a bowl. Place the lid on top of the bowl like this. You have to cook on medium flame first. Turn off the flame and remove the lid. Now perfectly cooked, remove the bowl from the pan and refrigerate for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I have removed from the refrigerator and transferred to the plate. This is very yummy custard pudding. Is very juicy and yummy. First, you can try in your homes and let me know by commenting to my channel. Hope you have liked my video. Thanks for watching my channel.